एंड पैरामीटर. ओके, हम चीज़ों को किस आधार पर बांट सकते हैं, मीन्स हम उनका सेपरेशन कैसे करेंगे. इट मीन्स हमने कुछ साइंटिस्ट ने दे हैव मेड सम पैरामीटर और क्राइटेरिया. With the help of this line diagram, I will explain how we do sorting. Okay, sorting or classification of material or matter. Sorting of matter is divided into the two categories. First is living and second is non-living thing. You already know what is mean by living thing. So there are two types of variety of living thing which are found in our earth. First is tree and first is plant and second one is animal. So these two are the examples of non-living things. In chapter number 4 you will learn only the classification of non-living thing. Okay, not the classification of living things. Classification of non-living thing can be done under two heading. Number 1, what are object made of, means we can classify object by knowing the quality of object. For example, this is the same kind of object, both are plates, but one is made from plastic and one is made from steel. Activity 1 and 2 which are given in your book explain this heading. We will discuss this or we will perform this activity in later videos. So second heading is properties of objects. We can classify object on the basis of some typical property which they have. So in your book, so there are 5 types of property. Number 1 is appearance, hardness and softness of object which are given in activity 3. Soluble and insoluble in water, means object either it may be soluble or it may be insoluble in water, that is activity 4 and 5. Number 3, object sink or float in water, activity 4 and 5. Objects on the basis of their transparency, means object opaque, object can be classified like transparent, translucent and opaque object, that is activity 6. And the last property is states of matter. So a matter exists in 3 states, solid. So a matter exists in 3 states, solid, liquid and gas, which I have already told you. So now the homework time. So on the basis of today's and previous video, you have to solve these 5 questions. Number 1, why we do sorting or classification? Write any 2 reasons. Number 2, write all 3 states of matter. Number 3, why it's very easy for us to find a book in library. Number 4, write any 3 properties of object. Number 5, write 3 example of each. Number 1, living organism and number 2, non-living organism. So student, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video.